March and March leader Jacinta Ngobese Zuma takes EFF Member of Parliament Naledi Chirwa to the High Court over claims linking March and March movement to the murder of teen Nhlamulo Sambo. Uma ngingena ku-inthanethi ngizithela kwe-article ye-The Citizen ethi uJacinta umangalele uNaledi Chirwa we-EFF e-High Court over ama-claims awenza mayelana nokufa kaNhlamulo Ndlela. Ngaphambi basifunde i-article ngicela ukukukhumbuza kancane. Uma kulungiselela umhla ka-30, before nje kuzofika umhla ka-30 kulungiselelwa nje umhla ka-30, abantu bebemasha vele indawo zonke ezehlukene. Futhi amanye wamamashi bongasuka ukuthi enzeka ngoba ebizwe i-March and March. Bekungama-mashi enziwa amalungu omphakathi. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kuyaba khona enye eTsakani, yaba khona enye ngapha ko-Daveyton, yaba khona eyayisempumalanga. Angisazi noma kuse-Middleburg na. Lapha abalungu omphakathi nje, umphakathi wawuzimashela wona ngokwawo. Hhayi ngoba leyo mashi ibizwe i-March and March. Ngakho-ke nabantu base-Mossel Bay base beyamasha. Ekumasheni kwalabantu base-Mossel Bay kwalimala abafowabo ababili base-Mozambique. Okwathe intatha ngabo 3 if I'm not mistaken. Kwase kulimala lo mfana lo uNhlamulo. Ekushoneni kwalo mfana lo uNhlamulo, ama-claims avela noNaledi Chirwa we-EFF ebambisene nomama walo mfana oshonile athi lo mfana lo ubulawe ngabantu be-March and March, bambulale ngoba engakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu. Bambulale ngoba ewumtsonga. Kodwa uma ubhekisisa kahle, abantu base-Mossel Bay abakhulumi sona isiZulu. BangamaXhosa, bakhuluma isiXhosa. Futhi esesakuthola kamuva ukuthi uNhlamulo lo ubefunda nawo amaXhosa, ufluent ngesiXhosa. Indaba eyakhuluma yasabalala kakhulu ngoba mongena ku-Facebook uNaledi Chirwa we-EFF wayelokhu ekugcizelelile ukuthi uNhlamulo ubulawe i-March and March. UJacinta must be held accountable ngoba ukufa kaNhlamulo kusezandleni zakhe. Kwahlula noma u-Provincial Commissioner wase-Eastern Cape esevezile ubaba uphathekile wathi cha, ukufa kaNhlamulo akuhlanganise lutho nemashi. Yebo imashi ibikhona kodwa ukufa kaNhlamulo akuhlanganise lutho. Bebebabili labafana bangene komunye umuzi ngenhloso yokuyoganga. Yilapho-ke okuphume khona lo baba noma ifika lo munye umfana wakhona ukubaleka uNhlamulo walimala-ke yena ebula. Le story lesi sishiwo yilo mfana. Nomama kaNhlamulo uthi uzwe ngaye yena lo mfana lo. So udaba olukanjalo. Ngicabanga ukuthi usuyaqonda manje ukuthi isukaphi le ndaba le yokuthi uJacinta agcine semangalele uNaledi Chirwa. Asifunde ke article, emveni kwe-article sizobona ukuthi siyayithola ivideo yalo mama na okanye asiyitholi. March and March movement leader Jacinta Ngobese Zuma has launched legal proceedings against economic freedom fighters Member of Parliament Naledi Chirwa, accusing her of spreading defamatory allegations that falsely link both her and the movement to the death of a 19-year-old Nhlamulo Sambo. Court papers seen by Sunday Times filed in the Johannesburg High Court on the 21st of July seeks an order compelling Chirwa to retract the statements, published a written apology and undertake not to repeat them. Ngobese Zuma is also asking the court to protect her rights to dignity, safety, security, and reputation, arguing that the continued circulation of the statement has caused ongoing harm that cannot be adequately remedied through damages. She condemned the publications falsely portrayed her as the March and March movement as being directly responsible for Sambo's death, despite SAPS stating on the 2nd of June that preliminary investigations found no evidence the murder was motivated by teenagers' nationality. The legal dispute stems from public comments made by Chirwa after Sambo was fatally stabbed in Mossel Bay on the 31st of May. Chirwa accused Ngobese Zuma and the March and March movement for creating a climate of hostility through anti-foreigner rhetoric, claiming the messaging contributed to the tension surrounding the teenagers' killing. In her public criticism, Chirwa questioned what she believed who would be the consequences of slogan and remarks directed at people perceived to be foreigners or outsiders. She also criticized Home Affairs Minister Leon Schreiber, accusing the government of failing to act decisively against inflammatory rhetoric while linking the incidents to border while linking the incidents to broader concerns about xenophobia and language-based discrimination. Ngobese Zuma rejected the allegation, accusing Chirwa of exploiting tragedy for political gain. Sambo's family questioned the circumstances surrounding his death, alleging he was forcefully removed from a house by a mob and fatally stabbed. Police said teenagers died following an altercation with a man whom they allegedly stole from. Ibambe le video sizozwa ukuthi enkantolo kuhamba kanjani, ukuthi nje ngoba esikhathini esiningi uJacinta mangabe efaka icala yena enkantolo akavamisanga ukukhuluma ngaleyo nto leyo ku-social media platform yakhe. Yingakho sizwa kwabezindaba khumbula icala nje ayelifakile against uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa azange azakhulume nje yena ngalo, noma sagcina sesazi ngokulandela i-MDN TV ngoba iyona yayilikhavile lisenkantolo i-live. Kodwa nje yena akakhulumi ngalo, naleli nje silizwa ngabezindaba akaze yena azakhuluma ngalo futhi angeke azakhulume ngalo ngoba umuntu onjalo. Kodwa ngicela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho, ngezwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngiyafisa mina ukuthi njengoba lolu daba lisenkantolo sengathi uNaledi Chirwa angakwazi ukukhipha ubufakazi, ngoba ayikho into enhle njengokwenza ama-allegation. Sengathi nje manje angakhipha ubufakazi athi cha, nabo ubufakazi bokuthi abantu ababemasha lapha ya i-March and March futhi babe uthuma uJacinta. Ngiyafisa ukubona lapho ebukhipha ubufakazi ukuthi athi cha, abantu ngempela ababemasha eMossel Bay kwakuyi-March and March. Wayehlelwe nini imashi yakhona, yenzeka ngasikhathi sini, ukuze impela sizokwazi ukubona ukuthi u-wrong ngaliphi uJacinta. Ngoba kodwa uma ngabe kungamalungu omphakathi nje avela asuka wona amasha, kuyoba inkinga kakhulu ngoba kuyobe kusho ukuthi uqamba amanga, njengoba esho nje athi le nkulumo le imthunaza isithunzi sakhe. So ingakho ngithi mina udaba malisenkantolo lihle ngalokho ngoba lo kade enza ama-allegation uzothola ithuba naye lokuthi akhiphe ubufakazi. Ilokho kubalulekile. Ngihlezi ngithi kubantu comment section mayithi sibani baningi ukuthi ngithi hayi akulula. Monobufakazi xhumana nabantu okufanele uxhumane nabo. Xhumane nama-Hawks noma uxhumane namaphoyisa, uhambise i-affidavit yakho, uthule ubufakazi bakho. Ngeke ngithi kwabanye ngingakulekelela futhi mina. Uma wena ungenayo indlela uzoxhumana kanjani nama-Hawks ukuze ubanikeze ubufakazi bakho bungaba usizo, ngakulekelela. Kodwa lento izosiza ukuze sikwazi ukuqonda into eyiyo nengeyiyo. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.